Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand the story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in a daily time frame here. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures started an uptrend on March 15, 2022. Since then, we have seen this uptrend to continue amid this uptrend zone. So this zone will be our guide during the month of June, where I find that any downward move inside this lower zone of this trading zone will provide a good opportunity to go long, as we have seen here on last Friday when the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of $8.291. Natural gas futures witnessed a sharp reversal from here and finally closed the day at the levels of $8.727. So here I find that the natural gas futures have finally closed the day inside this bullish trading zone, which is the central zone of this uptrend channel. So here I've noticed one important thing what I would like to share with you, that the same bullish candle was seen on last Friday. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of $7.861 on last Friday, and on May 23rd we have seen an advent of an uptrend from the levels of $8.063, and this uptrend continued on May 23rd, and the follow-up candles were extremely bullish. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures tested a high at the levels of $9.425 on Wednesday, and once again the natural gas futures attempted to test this level on Thursday and tested a new peak at the levels of $9.432. But from here, a sharp sell-off was seen in natural gas futures, and the natural gas futures finally closed the day at the levels of $8.997. So friends, here you can see that this resulted in the formation of this exhaustive candle. But on Friday, once again, the natural gas futures continued to slide downward and finally tested a low at the levels of $8.291. And from here, a sharp reversal was seen. So this resembles the move what we have seen on last Friday, that was followed by a sharp uptrend. So once again I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week and try to sustain above the levels of the 8.933, we'll see one more uptrend to continue, where the target could be the levels of the 9.789 for the bulls, where I would prefer to go short. So here you can see that how we have seen sharp sell-off whenever the natural gas futures found an entry inside this upper trading zone. We have seen sharp sell-offs every time. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures once again look ready for an entry inside the upper trading zone once again, where the target could be the levels of the 10.114, from where we could find a sharp sell-off once again during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that the oil trend could remain extremely volatile during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that the whole month of June will be guided by the moves what we have seen since March 2022. These moves provide us a good guidance to remain ready to take long position or short positions. So these three levels will be my selling points. First is at the levels of $9.961, and the second will be at the levels of $10.647, and the third will be at the levels of 11.161. And on the lower side, my first buy level will be at the levels of 7.947, and the second will be at the levels of 7.571, and third will be at the levels of 6.4. So these three levels will provide me a good opportunity if the natural gas futures find an extremely volatile move, because I find that during the month of June, we could find the trading range could be extremely extended, because here if the natural futures find a breakout well above the levels of $10, we'll find sharp selling moves, and on the lower side, if the natural futures find a breakdown well above the lower end of this uptrend zone, we'll find buying spree on every point here, and the final support will be seen at the levels of $6.4, where the lower end of Ichimoku cloud will provide a good opportunity to belong. So friends, here I find that the opening level on the first trading session of the upcoming week will provide confirmation that where the natural gas futures could turn during the upcoming week. So friends, here I would like to tell you that on the first trading session of the upcoming week, I would prefer to analyze the live moves of the opening session in this 15-minute time frame chart. So friends, here in the 15-minute time frame here, you can see that the natural gas futures have finally closed the week well at the 9 days moving average, and the formation of this bullish crossover confirms a breakout move that could result in a gap up opening well above the 200 days moving average. And here I find that if the natural futures sustain well above the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the $8.888, we'll see the natural futures to continue an uptrend where the first resistance will be seen at the $9.432, where the natural futures could find a sharp downward move that could push the natural futures back up to the levels of $8.5. So friends, here I find that if the natural futures find a sustainable move well above the 200 days moving average, we'll see a sharp upward move once again back up to the levels of $9.432. But undoubtedly, a holiday on May 30th will see the uncertainty to go on the opening of the next trading session of this week. We'll see the natural futures could retest the new levels. So friends, here I find that once again the natural gas futures could retest the levels of the 8.291, but from here a sharp reversal can be seen, and here I find that if the natural gas futures find a sustainable move well above the 200 days moving average, this will confirm the continuity of sharp uptrend during the upcoming weeks. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.